Yes guys, welcome back to the part 2 of my video. Yeah man, cooking curry chicken, mashed potato, and making some fry plantain. Yeah man, and also I'm gonna make some salad. Alright. Yeah man, so I have my pot going, my frying pan going guys, with my oil heating. Yeah man, so getting the plantain together guys. That is it. Stay tuned, catch a pre and watch what go on. Yeah man, that is it. So here I have the mashed potatoes guys. And the curry chicken. Yeah man. Yes, my curry chicken guys. Mashed potato. Yeah, man. And the pot is going my ripe plantain. Alright, so I'm making some fry ripe plantain. That is it. Yeah man, the oil is hot guys. Don't want the too hot, you know what I mean? Stay tuned guys, catch it pre and watch what go on, you know man. Don't forget, keep supporting my cooking channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe and drop a comment in that comment section. Alright, that is it. That is it guys. Yeah man, everything's on the up and up. You know what I mean? Yeah man, plantain is ready guys. Yeah. So as you can see, I have paper to absorb the excess oil, you know what I mean? That is it. Okay guys, here I have my lettuce and my purple cabbage, carrot, washed properly, alright? And I have it in chunks. Yeah man, here I have my cucumber. Yeah man, so I'm gonna add some cucumber. That is it. I have some cherry tomatoes guys. cucumber. I'm gonna add some purple grapes. So this is called a medley salad, guys. Yeah, man. Stay tuned, catch a prey, and watch what go on. The grape gives it a really nice flavor, guys. Yeah, man. That is it. Here I have orange. Add some orange juice. Fresh squeezed orange juice, guys. Mix this in. I'm gonna add some ranch dressing. A little more ranch dressing. That is it, guys. That's my medley salad. Alright, stay tuned, catch a prey, and watch what go on. Simple and easy and very delicious, trust me, and also healthy. Yeah, man. Alright, so I'm gonna sit this in the fridge, guys. Keep it on a very cool temperature. Yeah, man. That is it.